So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is July paper, that is Jan 2024 paper. No, sorry, May 24. Sorry, this is May 2024 paper. So we will be solving this one today, May 2024 Q1. Okay. Anyways, we'll just go straight into it. Okay. First question is the same as we did in the last paper. Just keep making these files. Okay. So first is mkdir mydir. Okay, so mydir is made. Inside mydir we need to make a file 1.txt. So this one is made. After that, mydir inside file 2. Okay, this one is made. After that, we are making one subdirectory. So subdirectory is made. Then another subdirectory is made, subdirectory 1. After that, inside subdirectory 1 we have file 3. Okay, and at last we are removing subdirectory 1. Since it is empty, it will be removed. Okay, directly. So yeah, remove direct subdirectory. Okay? You just need to go just make this and just run it. Okay, you don't need to do anything else. Okay, you encounter a permission denied error when trying to SSH into a remote VM. Okay, that's a correct permission. Okay, correct permission, we need chmod. Okay, or you can do lsl to check. Okay? But this one is fine. Whichever you have. Okay, so you just need to check which has the correct permission or not. Okay, and SSH key has correct permission. You don't need to read all this. If you want to, you can read. See, R is remove. This one won't work. T is, I think, type of key to create. Okay. And F is file name of the key file. Okay. This one is also not. So yeah, you can either do option elimination or you can directly say that chmod requires close permissions. So yeah, this one will be it. Okay, restricted perms. Okay, if you tell me in the comments, 600 means which user has what permissions, owner has what permissions, group has what permission. Okay, just tell me in the comments. I've told this. Okay, in the previous one you will be able to do it. Okay, what will the output of the following command? Simple, you need to bracket expand, that's all. Okay, echo, first one is without anything, so it will be printed. After that, b will be combined with 1 once and 2 once. Okay, so b1 b2 and at last c. Okay, simple question, 6 marks free के तुम्हारा. ये क्वेश्चन तो कभी गलत मत करना, फ्री के क्वेश्चन है 6 मार्क्स वाला, फर्स्ट वाला भी फ्री के मार्क्स है ना, ध्यान से करना, बस ध्यान रखना. ये क्वेश्चन हमने लास्ट टाइम में किया था. ओके, जस्ट 7th line 7 exit. So first you need to go to the 7th line, which is 7, then delete the line, which is dd, and then save and exit. Okay, which is wq. Okay, open the file, go to 7th line, delete the line, save and exit. Okay, so first option is fine. Okay, this one is the exact repetition of the December paper. Okay, exact repeat. So do PYQ as well. Okay, you don't need to do more than 3 PYQs. I will make one more PYQ. You don't need to do more than that. If you want, you can. Okay, so yeah, you try to SSH into a remote VM using the command. Okay, so this one is also repeat. Okay, SSH user at remote. This is the command we use as I told in the last one, and we see the following. Okay, this time the error is just different. Okay, permission denied, public key. Okay, so either there is a mismatch. Okay, this error comes only when there is a mismatch, or for some reason it can't access the public key. Okay, so what are the possible reasons for this? Okay, SSH key is not added to the SSH agent. Yes, that is fine. Username is incorrect, can be. Okay, the permission SSH key file at 2 open. Okay, yeah, this is a theory, like I cannot really explain why. These are the likely causes for this error to come. You just need to remember that. Like I cannot do that. Okay, what do you mean by file key file at 2? Like permissions are 2 open. Basically meaning SSH requires that the key file has restricted permissions. Okay, because of security issues. Like it needs to have, like, that's why we gave 600. Okay, that's why we gave 600 and not 777. Okay, it requires to have a restricted permissions. Okay, that's all the meaning is. You try to SSH into remote VM using the command same question, and just error has been defined. the error has been different. This is the exact repeat of December also. This one has been repeated in December paper. Not December, say September term. Remote host identification has changed. I have explained this there also, and just remote VM SSH host key has changed, and the IP address has been changed. These are the likely two causes of this error. SSH server, if it is down, it will say couldn't connect or a connection error or something like that. If the configuration file is corrupted, then it will say configuration error, configuration missing, something like that. This is also straight up. This has been repeated in December or September term. Which command will display the inode number? Inode number is ls my file. Okay, this flag I flag along with ls. Okay, it will give you the inode number, and stat is also the same, just a more detailed ls. Okay, type of, or a more human readable format ls. Okay, I haven't spent most never mind. I haven't spent much time on these three questions. What am I doing? Because I have explained this in the last PYQ. Okay, you can watch those. Okay, that's all. Okay. Just give me a sec. I need to breathe. Okay, so next question is, which of the following commands will create directory projects with the subdirectory 2024? Then create a symbolic name named current pointing to 2024. Okay, and finally verify the link. Okay, so you need to create projects and subdirectory 2024. Okay, you can simply do that without looking at the options. You can just paint a rough picture in your mind how the commands will look. Okay, mkdir parent and then projects and then 2024. Okay, this one is how you make the project, make the subdirectories. Then you need to create a symbolic link which will be LNS, something like of this sort. Okay, something of this sort. Okay, so this is second done. And then for finally verifying, you just need to print that in long format and you'll be able to see. Okay, so this is how the crude structure of the commands will look. Just you need to go to the options now. First one, mkdir is fine. Then ls projects 2024/current. Okay, this is fine also. Then ls and -l projects. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, no problem. Fine. This is how you create a symbolic link. Okay, this is the, sorry, not the whole thing. This is the link to which it is linked, and this is the link name or the file name. Okay, this is how you do it. This is fine. This one is also same. These two are same as the first option. It just creates the project and then creating projects to 2400 projects. So this one is also fine. So this is how these two options are correct, and then these are wrong. Okay, you can just check why they are wrong. Okay, which of the following commands will show its process ID and run in the background? Okay, this is the one. Okay, command and echo this. Okay, so what it does is this thing. Okay, it runs the preceding command in background and prints PID. Okay, this is what it does. Okay, this dollar and then exclamation mark, it run the, basically meaning this command will go to background and it will print the PID on the terminal. Okay, you have a file sample.txt and it is a checksum stored in sample1 sample.sh. Okay, so you want to ensure the checksum matches but only prints a message if it fails. Okay, basically meaning we have this file, and its checksum is stored here. Okay, so this is more important to us. We can just forget about this. Okay, this is what we need to check. Okay, you want to ensure the checksum matches but only print a message if it fails. Okay, so basically we need something like SHA1. After that the file. Okay, so the checksum, we need a C to check. We need something here like the file name, and then there's two ways to do it. We can either output output this to dev/none, okay, /dev/none. Okay, basically redirecting the output to the sink, and if error comes, basically meaning 2 greater than and printing message. Okay, so 2 greater than echo something. Either we can do it like this, or we can just error this and then T something like this. Okay, Just go to the option and it will be clear. Okay, so first we need to check, okay, SHAC sample.sha1. okay, that is fine. Okay, we are redirecting the standard output to the sink. Okay, basically meaning it will not do anything. Okay, this is basically a sink. Okay, it ignores anything that is inside it. Okay, it will not give it anything. Okay, this thing is OR. Okay, basically not OR. It basically means if the preceding command fails, then run. I don't mind the spelling. Preceding command fails, then run the successor. Okay, basically meaning if this command fails, okay, for some reason, then this will run. Okay, so basically what that is all we need. That if we are running into error for checking this, if error while checking, if we run into any error while checking, we will print this. Okay, if fails, then print. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, we don't and means that if this command runs, then this will run. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, this is just wrong. Okay, why is this here? Okay, same echo. Okay, and basically that's also wrong. Okay. After that, we need select the regular expression to match the string of email from the JSON file name as test.json. Okay, this one, address one, I also said that I will clear this here. Okay, so yeah, I have a lot of things written already here. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. We just need to make a regular expression, that is a regular expression to match this thing. Okay, in last one we did email address, we are doing email this time. Okay, so let's straight into it. So first one, as we saw in the last one also, it's right that what it is doing is, first this one is matching with email. Okay, in the word this thing. Okay, one. Okay, this thing is also matching with this. Okay, this colon. Okay, after that there is a space. Okay, space is also here. Then we have um, double quotes and double quotes at end, double quotes here and double quotes here. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so what is inside it? Okay, this thing, that is this thing. Okay, I said that this is matching that opening with starting with double quote. This is not actually starting when it inside this like this. It means that anything except double quote. Okay, what it means is that, so it should be something inside. Okay, like anything inside. Okay, email should not be empty. It should not be an empty string. Okay, and plus means it should have should be more than one character. That's all. So basically meaning, yeah, just a crude way, what it is matching is, so first is this email. Okay, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, okay. So what it is saying is there should be something inside. Okay, for example, nm. Okay, and it should be more than one character. Plus means more than one character. Okay, there should be something. For example, it should not be empty. Okay, this is all it is doing. Okay, and this one. Okay, so yeah, this is the same email. Then after that, if there is any zero or more white space characters, if there are. Okay, basically star means zero or more. That's why the last one is also correct. That is zero or more. Okay, there can be a space, there cannot be a space. Okay, so this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. After that, this one is fine. This one is also fine. This was the only point of problem. Like there was no any space. That's why I was like confused why it is right. Okay, so basically I forgot that star means zero or more. Okay, so there can be and there cannot be. Okay, so that's why this was there. Okay, so yeah, rest of the things are same. This one also means zero or more. Okay, okay. If there is any more confusion in this, just ask me in the comments. I will reply to that. Okay, we'll just go over it once more. email is fine. Okay, that's not email is fine, this one is fine. Okay, then after that it basically meaning there should be double quotes, and within that there should be something present. That's all this is matching. Okay, and there should be something which is not a double quote. Okay, that's all. Okay, so after that, which of the following commands will ensure that both standard out and standard error of a command are written in the same file? Okay, so we need to redirect both standard output and standard error to the same file. Okay, so we need this and this. Okay, we need both of these redirectors so that we can redirect both outputs. Okay, both output and error. Sorry. So first one is we need output.txt. Okay, so this one is we are redirecting the output to this file, and this syntax is meaning redirect output, no sorry, redirect standard error to same file as standard output. Okay, so this one is fine. Okay, this one is also fine. Okay, basically I said it wrong in the last one. I basically told that this is a wrong sentence. This is not a wrong syntax actually. That option is wrong. The last PYQ is wrong because it was not redirecting it to the terminal and will redirect to the same file. Okay, because in the last PYQ, that is the September 2024 PYQ, we needed to output them to the file and also to the terminal at the same time. Okay, so that's why I use TEE. Okay, we don't need that here. We just need to redirect both output and error to the same file. That's why we just use this, and this also means redirect standard out and standard error to same file. Okay, this is not wrong. This is just the syntax for this. Okay, this is fine also. Okay, after that you have a large file server.log and you want the total count of the number of occurrence of the word error and warning. Okay, so basically we need to find error and warning count. Okay, basically meaning one second. Okay, so yeah, let's just go straight to the options. Okay, so first one is, what do? We use grep. We use dash e. Dash e means they will interpret the pattern as extended regular expression and not as basic regular expression. Okay, and what the pattern we are giving? We are giving error or warning. Okay, basically this will return all the lines having error or warning in there. Okay, so after that we just count the lines. Okay, this is one way. This pipe is OR here. Okay, this is OR. Okay, error or warning. Okay, we search for error or warning in server.log each line, and then we just count the number of lines. Okay, this is the first option. In the last one we just count the words themselves. Okay, so error or warning. Okay, just same, just in one we are counting the lines, in one we are counting the words themselves. Okay, this one I will explain in a sec. Okay, so this is the same one. Okay, that we did in the September 2024 term. Just go that first look at this, cut D F3. Okay, cut D F3. Okay, so what does D do? D is the delimiter, and the delimiter is given as this. Okay, so first one is as soon as we reach here. Okay, this is the first delimiter. Okay, this one is the first delimiter. Okay, so that F1, F2, F3. Now why I haven't considered this? Okay, so see, there is a point. Okay, see, F2 will be empty. Okay, many of the people will say that F2 will also contain the dash. Okay, so dash www, this will be F2. It will not be. Okay, F2 will be empty. Why? because two consecutive delimiter is treated as empty string. Okay, so basically whenever there are two delimiters following each other like this, or if the delimiter is this, like in the September term like this, if there was something, then the field 2 will be an empty string. Okay, basically wherever a delimiter follows another delimiter, that field will be treated as a empty string. Okay, so that's why f1 is https with the colon, field 2 is empty, and field 3 will be this www.example.com, www.example.com. so it will be the same for all the other lines. Okay, so f1, f2 will be empty, f3 and f4. Okay, so it will be the same, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's just, and then it will be passed to this command, that is grep v dash v this. Okay, so basically it is saying that grab all those lines, grab all lines which do not contain www \dot. Okay, so all the lines will no line contains this specific term. Okay, \dot. Okay, so all the lines will be all these will be like this will not be there, this will not be there. Okay? All the field 3s will be returned. Okay, and since all the field 3s are returned, and after that tail minus one just prints the last line. Okay, so the last line is example.org, that's why this is the answer. Okay, understood what it does? Okay. This one is saying that grab all those lines which does not contain this word. Okay, and none of the lines contain this word, so all the lines will be returned. Okay, minus v is not in a sense. Okay, not. Okay, so that's all. This one. Okay, we just need to match this. Okay, we need to match class A or class C. Basically, if we are given an IP address, we need to make sure it either comes from class A or it comes from class C. Okay, or okay. And anyways don't make sense. Okay, so anyways or. Okay, so I will explain the right ones. Okay, so class A, C, I will explain the pattern. Okay, class A, 10 is constant. Okay, 10 is constant. Okay, after that 0 to 255. Okay, so basically 0 to 255. Okay, so the max is 3 digits. Okay, so basically max there can be 3 digits, and how many times they will be there? They will be there 3 times. Okay, 3 digit 3 times. Okay, just match it now. Okay, this one is the constant. 0 to 9, at least once, at most thrice. Okay, so 0 to 255, then again 0 to 255. They are matching one after another, like they are not doing at once. They are matching 0.0.0. This one is they are matching once, they are again matching this, after that they are matching this. Okay, so at least one, at most 3. This one is done. So this one is the first 0 to 255. This one, basically meaning this is the first one, like this one. They are again doing this, they are doing this 3 times. So this one is the second time, this one is the third time. Okay, so that's why there are 3 times, and then this is OR. Okay, this one is OR. Okay, yeah, so that after that OR. In class C there are 2 constant. Okay, 192.168 is constant, so that's why 192.168 is constant. After that there will be only twice. Okay, so 3 digit 2 times. Okay, so 3 digit and as all 2 times. Okay, this one is the first time and this is the second time. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so this is how the second one is right. The fourth one is wrong as it is. Okay, I will explain it. This part is wrong. Okay, this part is fine. Class A is fine. Okay, class C is wrong. Okay. So class A, this is same. Basically what they are doing is in this one we wrote it 3 times. Okay, we wrote it 3 times. Instead of that, they are writing it at once. Okay, see, this one, basically this one is repeating 2 times. Okay, basically 255 is repeating 2 times. Why not we do that for three at once? Because this one will not be followed by a dot. Okay, so this see this dot. Okay, it will be there for both of these, like 0 point 0 point. Okay, but it will not be there for the last one. Okay, so that's why for this last one we need an extra expression. Okay, that is the last 255 we need 3 digit one time. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, this one is the same, just they are not they are doing it twice at once. Okay, so basically the dot will not be here, that's why the fourth option is wrong. Okay, it will be like this one, and then it will be again like that. Okay, we cannot do that, we cannot um, do 2 times at once. Okay, that's why the fourth option is wrong. Okay, so yeah, this was all your May 2024 paper. There will be another one, and I hope you're enjoying. If there are anything you want to say, just put them in the comments, and all the best.